All right, nice. So now the defenders pass off the ball to the midfielders, and the midfielders is essentially the body of the poem that builds the foundation and get more information within the poem. Like you have the foundation, and now you learn. We know what's going on. You learn. We know what happening, and you learn. We know.
Listen. Are you hearing that? Shh. Listen. Can you hear a distant drum bouncing on the laughter of a melody? And does the rhythm tell you, come, 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 come? Does your spirit do a dance to this symphony? Yeah. Let's walk on.
So photography is actually derived from two words, photo and graph. Photo actually means to deal with light or produce light or use light, like photosynthesis is how plants use light to make food, all right? And graph is to draw. So photograph actually means drawing with light or light drawing. So if you're an artist, you will definitely appreciate that. That's why they call photographers artists, because you are actually drawing with light. So with this wedding photo, the bride, she didn't want that flower in her picture, and she just stooped down to pull it out. And I saw it. I was like, whoa, this is awesome. Stay right there, pause, snap it. And now I make sure and put her hand plucking that plant out of the pieces of board. I put that over one of the intersecting points on my ruler tubes so that your eye is going to sort of fall there once you scan the image. All right, once you look at it, your eye is going to see it there. Wow.
I show you look at National Geographic, and you see these photographers in the grass suits. So, you know, they're in the grass suit and thing, and they hat and thing, and they're looking like a tree, like a full oak tree. And the camera in the hand, and the line up on the ground for hours.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm talking about? Because they just have to wait for the perfect time to get, if it's a certain type of bird, to get a shot of an owl that might come out later on in the evening, a certain animal, right? A good photographer knows that the shot is always worth it at the end, right? This is a simple activity, right? And I'm gonna give an example of how it's gonna go, right? We have here, for example, number 2. It says it's showtime, number 2 on the left. It's showtime, right? What kind of photography is that? We're gonna try to match it with the respective type on the right-hand side, right? So it's showtime would be event photography, right? You understand? Yeah. Nice. It's a bird, it's a plane, it's a
drone.
Right, it's a drone, right? Drone photography, which is actually gaining a lot of popularity, right? That was good.